It's very good.
What else?
The taste is similar to the original.
Very yummy, very
Yes.
amazing.
Yes.
Is this your first time to visit here in the Philippines?
Right?
Is this your first time?
Yes.
Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much for visiting our country, our land. Okay, say something about Chichiran, Japanese restaurant. In Japanese, in Nihongo, yes. Oh,
七蘭のラーメンは、とても美味しかったです。ダバオに来たらぜひ寄ってみてください。ありがとうございます。
arigato, Takel. Thank you so much, guys. He is a Japanese national. I met him only this Chichiran restaurant. I am very glad. I am very happy that actually this is the very first time he visited us. He visited our country, the Philippines. And I would like also to invite all my followers, my viewers, likers, sharers, and supporters to please come and visit Chichiran Japanese restaurant located here in corner Palma Hill Street, Ponciano, Davao City. God bless everyone.